Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have a Temu haul which I'm a little bit disappointed with because I ordered a 30x40 diamond painting, and looking at the state of this package I don't think it's going to be in there. If it is, well obviously it is in there, but if it is it's going to be really bent and I'm really not confident about this, so we'll get into it anyway. And there's a few other bits and bobs in here, but if this is a hot sealed bag there's no need to wrap it round and round and round with tape, but yeah, if this is, I've got a feeling that this is bent, so yeah, I'm hoping it isn't, but I can't see how. Just to show you what a 30x30 size, sorry, a 30x40 size would be, it would be something roughly about that size. So chances are they've bent this, but we'll see what we can do. This did arrive a day late. It was supposed to come yesterday, but yeah. Okay, this is interesting. A bag and a bag. What the hell have they done this for? I'm really not very happy because, like, I can't. There's no way this has got a 30x30 painting in it. So I don't know what they've done, but we'll have to wait and see here. But apparently it's a bag within a bag. So I'm not really sure what the purposes of that is, but I just want to show you guys this. I'm going to show you anyway because I really am not very happy with the state of this packaging. What I ordered was, let's go on to my orders a minute. I ordered this, which was I ordered this. Now this is supposed to be a 30x30, so I'm just gonna zap it up. Just gonna get my, sorry, I'm just trying to get my photos up. Now, as you can see, I ordered, here you can see I've paid like £7, and I've ordered, it says there 30x40. Now, I'm not being funny, but there's no way that that's going to be in there without it being bent. So, yeah, we'll have to wait and see, but it seems like they don't seem to be caring about the quality at the moment, but awful packaging. Look, what is this? Some sort of winder. What is this? What the hell? An empty bag. What is going on? See, look, you've got a seal there, so there's no reason why you need to tape it round and round and round. I feel like I've got an empty bag. I'm being serious. This is ridiculous. This has got to be some sort of wind up in it. This is some sort of wind up. Seriously. What is this? Really? What the hell? Well, so far we've had half a dozen bags and nothing in it so far, so yeah, that's not 30x40. They've missold me that. That's a 20x30. That's not what I ordered. I paid for a 30x40, so that's going back. I'm not happy with that. We'll check the pens. I don't know if it's going to have the same problem with the tip missing. But I did get myself a blue one, and I also got myself another pink one. So I just hope and pray that they've got them in there. And then in here, I got a And guess what it is? Well, at least I've got some free mailing bags. They've obviously used it for cushioning, but in here I've got this. What you do with this is a French fry holder. So what you do is you stick your chips in there. We call them chips over here. I don't know what, I think America calls them fries. And then obviously what you can do with this is put your tomato ketchup in. That goes into there like that. And then as you can see, you've got your chips in one, and you've got your thing in there. So as you can see, this is a French fry holder. I'm just going to try and get a picture of that for you. Yeah. And this was £1.78, and this is a, as you can see, you put your chips in. Or you could take that out if you wanted to and put all your chips in. But I thought that was just really, really good. You don't have to, like, you know, put the get a separate condiment thing for your sauce and that. So it is plastic. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that. So that's really good. And then we'll take a look at the gold pen. I hope that they've got the tip in this. If not, then I don't know. But as you can see in here, this is the gold one. Because I got another one, because that, if you watch my other video, the tip was missing. So I've got a feeling this is exactly the same. Whoops. Oh, okay, that shouldn't have come off, but yeah, see, look, the tip's in it. Brilliant. So yeah, they forgot to put the tip in the other pen. Oh, that's brilliant. Fantastic. So as you can see, that's what it's supposed to have. It's not supposed to have that missing, so that's really good. Fantastic. So that's one. Really, really happy. And we'll get to blue pen next. And as you can see, I've wanted this. I cannot tell you how long I've waited for this blue pen, because everywhere I've got, no matter where I've got it from, whether it's been in accessory kits, I've always got the pink, and there's a seller on Temu that sells them in the different colours. So to get this blue one is just a dream come true for me. And yeah, look at that, pink as well, beautiful. So you got the tip in that. I'm really, really happy with that. Yes. So really, really good, aren't they beautiful? And then we'll do this pink one. This is just a standard pink one that I got, because I want to have the set, you see. So I've got loads of these now. I've probably got like 3 of them, because the problem is with these, if you press too hard, there's a crack can appear along there, because that's acrylic, and obviously over time they do wear, so I like to get a few of them. And they've all got the tips, so that's good, as you can see. Really, really cool. So I've got my 3 new beautiful pens, and then we'll take a look at this, but I'm going to have to wrap this back up and send that back, because I did not order a 20 times 30. I paid for 30 times 40, so I'm going to send that back, unfortunately, because I wanted it in 30 times 40. So I will keep that packaging as best as I can, so I can send that one back. But in here, I'm disappointed, to be fair with you, because it's totally not what I expected. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, 20 times 30, and it's got 21 colours, as you can see, and it really, really looks beautiful. It's lovely and bright. You've got the sky, and then the little butterfly is landing on a stone here with some pebble flowers down there. That lovely white behind it, really, really good. You got yourself a bag, your standard tray with your pen and wax, which is absolutely gorgeous. And look at these are very vibrant. Oh, these are lovely, really, really gorgeous. So they're really nice. So as you can see, you've got the, can't put it up. You've got a white one, you've got this gorgeous blue colour, and there's various different blues there. We've got teal, a lighter blue, and then a sort of in between blue there. We've got a pink, we've got some butterscotch, another blue there, sort of like a mauvey sort of colour with a pink and dark pink, peachy colours there. Really, really beautiful. And as you can see, a light baby pink. I think that's an orange there. Some loads of mixed ones there. And then you've got the light blue and pink, lilac, I think that's a mauve, and then the red. So I'm really happy with my purchase, apart from the fact that they've sent me a 20 times 30 instead of a 30 times 40. But overall, I really cannot recommend these pens enough. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I really, really enjoy them, and I will enjoy my little French fry thing here. So can't wait to try it out. Yeah, that's the sort of thing you need with like burger rolls and onions, and then you've just got your chips, or if you just fancy fries, a light snack, you've got quite a big depth in there, and then just put your sauce there, and it's easy to wash out and take out. Really happy with that. There's like little slots here that it puts it in for you, but you don't have to have it for French fries. You could put like grapes in one, or you could put, you know, perhaps anything, yogurt, and then the compate, which is the sauce there, maybe. You know, there's all sorts of things you can do with that. Ice cream, you know, all sorts of different things. But hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. As I said, that's definitely an unusual unboxing, because I didn't expect to receive half a dozen different mailing bags. But that's quite good, because I can reuse these for something, so that's really good. But as I said, there's no need for them to keep like wrap it round and round and round with tape, because see this here, that's a hot seal. So what I mean by that is that if I was to take that off and then I was to go like that and put that down like that, as you can see, if I pull that up, it's stuck, because that's a hot seal. So I don't understand why they go round and round and round with the tape. So obviously there will be negative videos, there will be positive videos, but this is certainly an unusual unboxing. But yeah, I'm really disappointed, because obviously I did order 30 times 40 and got stuck with that. So obviously it's just a pain, because I've now got to reorder it again and wait another week. So, but it is what it is. But do get these pens, I cannot recommend them enough. And to finally get a blue one, I'm really over the moon, and might get another one of them actually. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that bell to be notified of any future videos that I do, and I'll see you next time for another Temu unboxing, and we've got an Amazon one just around the corner. Take care guys, catch you later.